questions pwy, beth, and faint, we place C before a preposition, a verb, or an adjective in the present tense. You already know the meaning of these questions. Pwy means who. Beth means what. Faint means how much or how many. The word see is used after these questions in the following patterns. Rhif 1. Before a preposition. A preposition tells us where something or someone is in relation to something or someone else. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Pwy sy ar ddyletswydd heno? Beth sy dan y ddesg? Faint sy yn y gwaith heddiw? Rhif 2. Before a verb. A verb is an action. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me again. Pwy sy'n cloi'r swyddfa? Beth sy'n digwydd yfory? Faint sy'n gweithio dydd Gwener? Rhif 3. Before an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Pwy sy'n dost heddiw? Beth sy'n swnllyd drws nesa? Faint sy'n hapus? Mae hi'n ddydd Gwener. Rhif 4. See is also used before an indefinite noun, which is equivalent to the English a or an, after the question pwy. There is no equivalent to the a, an in Welsh. Edrychwch. Pwy sy'n rheolwr? Who is a manager? Pwy sy'n nyrs? Who is a nurse? Pwy sy'n adeiladwr? Who is a builder? Arbennig. That was a lot to take in. It's really important that you practice using see in questions to build your confidence to start using them in the workplace every day. Mae hi'n amser ymarfer nawr. Pob lwc!